We will need ginger, peel off it, grate it, now take it in a saucepan. Add a spoon of cinnamon powder, add a spoon of cumin powder, add 1 cup water, mix it well. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Strain it. Add a spoon of honey. Mix it well. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 2 weeks. And you will notice the difference, especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. These tips are completely natural, there is no side effect. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.